Part 2 of the burger. You gotta be kidding me, car. Oh my god. Back on track. Look at that face. Don't. He's like, what the frick is happening here? Ooh, I want to get a closer look. What the frick is this? What the frick is that? What the frick? Did you see that frickin' thing? Ooh. Did he just kiss? Did he just kiss? Look. Whoops. Look at that wheel. Look at that wheel. It's going crazy, isn't it, guys? Look at that. The birds are like, oh my freaking god! Look, gonna actually see them with their cage, actually. Give them a little bit of a cage tour. Whoops. Okay. I accidentally hit the train. And this thing kind of fell off a little bit. Back on. Come on. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the blanket off. Go. Okay. I don't think it's that's their house. They haven't even gone in there once. Right. This is them. There's Tweety, Dan, and Carl. Tweety. I made a video on Tweety once where my mom was washing his feet. We weren't trying to torture him. My mom put like kind of warmish water. It just felt, it was like as warm as if you were, like if you touch the back of this, like if you pet it, or if you, I'm not that sure how much to explain it, but it was that we were watching his feet because he stepped in poop. And it dried up, so we watched his feet, and now he has poop on his feet. Tweety, show your poopy feet. Or you can just show them how. Tweety, is that your dinner? Yeah, that's your dinner, right? Look, she's eating. Tweety, that's your dinner. Oh, she's just, nope, that's not my dinner. Come on. Look, listen to the sounds that they make. I have to take a picture of this. This is so cute. Now you're gonna eat your lunch. Look how cute she looks when she's eating. Look at that face. Look at it. Look at that face. That face, though. It's too cute. I just don't know why, but they still never want to go inside of that. Well, it is new. Wait, where did they go? Oh, now you're eating lunch. Can you get a nice view of you, please? Tweety? Thank you. I just heard something poop. Someone just pooped. As Tweety was eating. She's like, oh yeah, I love this foodie. Come on, Tweety, what are you doing? Tweety. There she goes, she's eating some of her treats, and now she's eating her lunch, and Dan's eating his lunch, and Tweety just was eating her breakfast, and they like to scratch their beaks against the wood. One of them might do it soon. Right. Tweety is mostly the one that mostly wants to do it lots of the time. Although right now she's on broccoli. They eat the broccoli, even though sometimes they don't. Even though I always thought that they were gonna poop on it, but they poop away on the side. They do love broccoli. Hey, he's like, get the camera off my face. Then it's gonna scrape his head soon. I like to do that to sharpen up their beak. That's why their beak is really sharp. Do you see their beak? Their beak right there. Oh, look. Oh, there she goes. She's like, I don't want to be on camera. There she goes. Oh, they're fighting. They're fighting. Fight. And I am done. He's like, fuck this shit, I'm out. I won! Fuck this shit, I'm out.